Today we're gonna be reacting to the Sprite challenge. We're including mineral water or sparkling water or whatever you call it, okay? Me and Ruth are very interested in doing this challenge ourselves. So expect the video because we're gonna do it and we're gonna look at this and see if we're gonna be okay. You have to do your research before you do anything.
You do.
Run.
Okay, he's doing better, I think. The way he drinks is very inefficient, I feel like.
Yeah,
he's like,
I need you to like put your whole
like,
mouth over the bottle.
he needs like a hole. He needs it to go.
He needs to go like, I mean,
yeah, either squeeze it or like let a vent, you know, for the Sprite to get out.
Yeah.
But he's just going, you know, like a kid. Like a kid drinks its juice or something.
Oh, see, we told him.
I told you.
Let me get my burps out.
We were stalling. Okay, fine. I'll tell you guys. Me and Ruth.
We might have.
We're not. Okay, we lied to you a little bit. Because I told you that we are interested in doing this challenge. But we did a LaCroix one.
We did.
It was bad. Like, we did it just now. So yeah, I'm just gonna get that out of the way. We already did the LaCroix challenge. We didn't do any Sprite things, though. So we're scared to do that. Alright, let's keep going.
Oh, was that an artery?
Oh, this is good.
This is better for him. This is better.
He's
so bad at drinking. Is it on purpose? He's like... I think we should try this one, because I don't believe...
What?
Is that...
Let's proceed. I think it's because of the burping. Like...
Alright, guys, take this as a precaution. I don't know what's going to be in this video. I thought it was just soda.
Oh, it's right there!
Yeah, it does go like right here.
Right there!
Did you feel it?
Oh, yeah.
It was like... It feels like there's a frog in your throat.
It gets stuck, yeah.
I can't do it no more.
Why did you...
Okay, we're done with that video. That was...
to hear that verb. What are you doing?
I just clicked out. I just clicked
Why
out.
did you click out?
I was done with it. Okay, fine.
Let me hear that burp.
I'm worried.
It already
What's
happened.
her stomach bad, y'all?
I mean, do you hear her? She's breathing like...
Oh, word for her, yes.
I'm worried for her health. Yeah.
Yeah.
She might have a heart attack right now. Why is she still going?
Wait, she still went on?
I can't.
She looks so... Press play.
I can't watch that.
Press play. Does it keep going?
I don't know if I can watch any more of that.
Oh, she's freaking good.
She in a box? It's like she's screaming, like she's like, she like looks at the camera and she does it. She goes,
She looks so intimidating.
yeah, she's like, she's looking straight at the camera, dude.
Like she's literally.
It's so weird. Okay, so that was, It's Squeaky if you want to check her out. Let's do this one.
He looks really... I guess it goes down somewhere.
Where is it going? Where did it go? That was crazy. He did like the tornado.
Soda water, and then try and talk without burping.
Is soda water mineral water in England?
Is this in Britain or England?
What?
On a
Are you ready?
Tuesday.
Okay.
There you go.
Cheers.
In your ear. What's...
That's really... sorry, I had to...
She made him fail. He's
not
so
graceful.
close. Look. He has only a tiny bit in
he
there.
basically won.
Okay, fine. He won.
It brought tears to my eyes. Oh my god.
Can you do sparkling water and try not to burp?
Are they gonna fail or not?
Oh,
You have to just kind of bet, I
So,
guess. I think he's not gonna fail.
I think he's gonna win. Yeah, he's not gonna fail. He's gonna
Yeah.
make it.
He's cheating! He's basically getting all the air bubbles out. I'd call that a fail. That's a fail. Like, there's no way.
No burp.
He failed. I think it's cheating when they put it in the cups. Gonna fail.
Easy fail.
What?
Ooh.
I think he's an alcoholic too. I'm just kidding.
That was funny.
Stay tuned for more season 2.
Did it go in his lungs and his stomach? I don't know.
Some of them make it look so easy.
Yeah, it looked way too easy. Okay, so we all have 1 point so far. 3, 2, 1. Pass or fail?
The guy's gonna win.
Guy's not gonna pass. She's gonna fail.
Yeah. Because I think it's just.
Actually, I think they're both gonna fail. Oh yeah, Paul thinks the same because once
it's
once
fail.
someone else burps, then you want to burp really
okay,
bad.
Yeah, that's.
No, you can't change your answer. 2 people counts for 2 points if you get both of them right. They're doing pretty good. Oh. Are they gonna barf?
Did he finish it?
I think he did.
He won. She lost.
Hey, what's up? It's Bro.
Okay, I won that.
That means you won. Alright, pass or fail. Friends, dude.
Can I watch a little more of him?
Okay, fine.
A few
We
more
need to get to know his
seconds? We get to
personality.
know him.
Bro, I've been seeing this challenge on TikTok. The sparkling water, like chug the whole thing and
for
you
sure
can't burp.
pass.
I think he's gonna fail.
I gotta get down on one knee. I gotta get down on one knee to finish it.
He cut it. He
I get
edited
down.
it.
He did.
That means he failed.
I think
Pass or fail?
Oh man. Oh, he gonna pass.
I think he's gonna pass.
He's gonna pass.
Why? That's we don't know.
We don't. Yeah, we can't vote on that person.
Pass or fail? I think she's gonna pass. Paul thinks she's gonna fail.
I'm going with Paul, but she looks like a.
Okay, so I think she's gonna pass.
She
You
looks
two
like a
think she's gonna fail.
trooper. Like she could just.
Burp challenge.
Oh, she's gonna do it.
No, she might not.
Oh, do you see her eyes? She's like
Oh man,
the cry, the tears.
your eyes tear up a little.
The
It's too
tears.
spicy.
She's
Wait,
She's
she
gonna
drink it?
fail?
Oh, she won.
the look that she had been giving us.
Yes, we have a winner.
Okay, Elvina.
I won.
You deserve that one for sure. Wait, how do I have 4? Oh.
Because you guessed 2 guys.
Chug a sparkling water
Pass or fail?
Wait, a little more. Who is this?
without burping, and I'm here to prove.
Okay, he's gonna
Paul
pass.
thinks he's gonna pass.
Definitely gonna pass. Like, he already
I
knows.
think he's gonna pass
He
too.
knows what he's doing.
Because that trick, he's basically making a vent. So he's shotgunning it. So it's like super quick, basically.
They literally know what they're doing. Like, you can
Yeah.
tell if these people drink.
Yeah, you know.
That
Okay,
you
let's see.
1000% can, and I'm gonna be the first one to do it. I haven't seen anybody do this on my For You page, so yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna do it.
I kind of want to try this method. Like,
Did you see that?
What?
So
it
yeah,
spill?
let's go.
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, maybe spill one.
Gulp. It was burning.
It does burn.
My face, cause I.
He failed. He failed.
Did you say fail? You said we all said pass.
I think we all said pass.
He's failing because of the spillage.
Yeah, he failed.
What? Okay, keep failing.
Straight alcoholic. That's right.
dumped a lot.
Actually, this dude is. He might be. I don't
This
know.
guy's a.
Puffer fish.
He's a fish boy.
He's a fish boy. We were talking about that in our last.
Alright.
We just recorded a
Video
video.
down below. We talk about fish boys. He's not a soy boy.
Just
He's
wait
a
for it.
fish
We'll
boy.
upload it. We'll upload it.
He's a fish boy.
It'll probably be in the bloopers, honestly. To give you some context,
Okay.
we were saying, "Oh, what's a soy boy?" And then we were like, "Oh, okay, that's just a guy who's like super.
We googled it.
What was it? Like he is emotional about everything. He overreacts.
Effeminate, too feminine when it comes to being sensitive, and then takes it personally, and then has to switch. the
Okay,
subject.
so that's a soy boy.
Yeah.
And then Ruth asked, "You."
Oh, you're not a soy
You're
boy.
not- you're
Don't
not.
give me
Okay.
that. You might be a fish
But
boy.
no, like I said, guys still have emotions too. It doesn't
yeah,
mean.
a guy can be sensitive.
Yeah, it's good to be sensitive as a guy, but there's some guys who make it dramatic and they're like, the world centers around me. You know, like not everyone's a soy boy, but you know who's a soy boy when you see them. You were asking what fish boy was, and we didn't look it up or anything.
Look it up. A boy who is holding a fish in all of his Profile pictures. So also a fish boy can be someone who follows you to the ends of the earth, like a side man, ride or die.
So it could be a good fish boy or a bad fish boy.
What kind of fish boy is he?
He looks like a medium.
I'm not doing it.
Yeah, this is a good
He
fish
actually
boy.
looks like a fish boy when he
He does, he's like-
he did like the little wiggle. How did he do that?
Oh yeah, that's a fish. Wait, this is a fish out of water. Look.
He's literally.
He's like, that's what fish do when you get them out of water.
I'm not doing it.
He's literally a fish boy. out
We
of
got
water.
our answer.
Gotta put this to the test.
Alright, pass or fail? Fail.
He's gonna pass.
Okay. Oh, he has a good technique.
Look at that neck.
Ruth?
Not like that. I'm just saying it's
I
chuggable.
mean,
It's a chug.
He has a nice draw line. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's okay. We're gonna ignore that. How did he do that?
Is he done? I didn't notice it empty.
How-
Wait.
Wait, were we too distracted? Okay.
Wait,
That's enough.
We have to take a pause.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
Replay, because we missed
Why do we need a replay?
Wait, because I missed it.
Okay, fine.
I missed his neck.
The test.
Just kidding. Oh. Oh. What just happened? Did it skip? Whoa.
He won.
The Star Wars
this
Lego
guy's
set Death
hilarious.
Star.
Okay. We're watching this one?
We watched this. Okay, we can't pass or fail this one because we already know.
Oh my gosh. What do I do?
Pass or fail?
Fail.
I think she's gonna pass.
What do you think,
You
Paul?
two think she's gonna fail.
Oh,
You might be
she
right.
likes the flavor.
You're right.
Why
There's
is she
no way.
stopping so much? Dude, you got it?
She didn't even take
Girl,
one
no way I
sip.
could even get. Oh,
Nope. I failed.
it was such a cute burp.
That was cute. Okay.
Wait, okay.
You two get a point.
Yep, we do.
Ruth,
Alright,
Ruth, you're winning. Like, that's from renowned. I don't know how to say that. TikToks. All right, so I think let's watch shorts now. Pass or fail? Oh, that was disgusting. I actually did watch this guy because he eats like spicy stuff.
he looks like.
I think he's a scammer.
You know what he looks like? He looks like One Direction.
Which one? Harry
Yeah,
Styles?
he looks like Harry, yeah.
He kind of does, yeah. Okay, pass or
Kinda does.
fail?
It's the hair. Pass.
Pass too. I think he's gonna pass.
And you said he might be cheating.
Because I think he is a scammer.
Oi.
Ew. Why is he looking at
lip
us?
is so-
He's looking at us. He's looking at us through the glass. Look, that's his eyeballs.
I'm so scared. He looks like a fish boy.
Fish boy. Yeah, this guy's definitely a fish boy.
He's a puffer fish boy.
Yeah, he won. Yeah. Ew.
Such a weird
That was
burp.
Okay, pass or fail?
Looks like she's passing.
Okay, yeah. Let's.
Where'd he
I'm
start?
gonna say pass.
Oh.
They're like showing their beautiful nails, like they did their nails.
She has
before.
nice nails.
That last guy had nice nails.
Oh! That's literally like impossible to not burp.
I don't think she
I want to
passed.
try and drink this whole Sprite without burping.
I don't know.
That's a nasty burp.
Oh my.
That's pretty good.
She looks so scared right now. She's like, what's happening?
She's scared of her own burp.
Oh my god. Oh, I've seen this video. That's why they look familiar, because I've seen the video.
Man, poor lady in the green didn't even have a chance.
This video is actually why I want to do the challenge in my room,
Yeah.
not in the car. Ruth won.
Yeah.
I lost.
Most of the dudes won. Honestly.
Yeah.
That's the.
I think it's just like how they're built. Like, I don't know. They're just
Wait.
bigger. What is she wearing?
What is this?
Wait, you can get that at my Etsy shop
You
called
can?
Dio Valenti. I drew that. I drew
She
this.
did. She did.
And it's printed on a very good quality hoodie.
Super-
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. You can get it in sand, ash, and white. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Also, if you try this challenge, be careful, okay? It could be very messy, as we saw. Let me know what score you got from the pass or fail thing. I'm very interested to know. That vent, the epiglottis, they just go...
Look at that nursing
It's like...
student right there.
No, it's like opening a trash can. That's
And
just
it
what
just,
they,
like,
they
goes
go,
down.
It's
So
crazy.
that would be the trick. Don't like that first video we watched with the lips, closed lip. Don't do that.
Yeah, always have a vent.
Yeah, have some airflow.
Like, at least let some bubbles out or something.
let it flow.
Or you gotta just open your epiglottis. I don't know.
It's funny how we're like giving advice to people.
Or do the tornado. That was cool.
Ooh.
I do the tornado when I put more water in my fish tanks. Those fish go crazy.
So
It's
yeah.
like a typhoon in their aquarium. Guys, look at this chapstick. You can get it on Amazon through the link down below just by clicking the button. If someone clicks on that link, they can buy stuff from Amazon with no higher cost or anything. They just buy anything they want. And I get a little bit of commission from that, okay? Which means money. And it's for free. So you're basically giving me free money from whoever made Amazon. Who is that? Jeff Bezos? Yeah. We're stealing money from Jeffrey Bezos when you do that. So go ahead and keep doing that. Bye.